All right. You're gonna learn today.
Alright YouTube, so today I'm working on a 2004 Jeep Liberty. The problem with the Liberty is it doesn't start, it doesn't even crank. Show you guys what I mean. Put the key in, everything will light up to that point, and that's it. Won't do nothing else, but it's also turning very weird, see? But I believe the problem is going to be the ignition lock actuator, which is under here. So I have to remove the cover so I can check everything out just to verify, but I believe that's what the problem is. So to remove this, you're going to need to remove these T15s that are in here and then pull the cover apart. I'll cut you guys back on as soon as I get this off. Alright YouTube, so I removed the steering column cover and then I pulled this off. This was being held in place by one T10 security bit Torx, and this is the electronic part of the switch, of the ignition switch. I was able to put a screwdriver in here and crank it. It started right up. So as soon as I removed it, this piece fell out. If you guys can see it, this is the broken piece from right here. So this is the ignition switch actuator, and this is what broke. So that's why it's unable to start with the key. That's why you can't crank it or do anything. So this is also held in place by two of the same T10 bits. So I'm getting ready to put you guys down. I'm gonna take that off and I'll cut you guys right back on. Okay YouTube, so I just got it out. This is the old one. So you can see the broken piece right there. And this is the new one. See, it's not broken. Alright, so I'm getting ready to set this up in place. This should, as it looks, just line up. See, it's only really one way to line it up with the cylinder that you can see there. So let me get this popped in place and I'll cut you guys back on. Okay YouTube, as you can see, everything is back together. I just have to put the steering column covers back on, but it was a very simple job. All it takes a little bit of patience and very few tools, and you can get this done in no time. Now, I use the Dorman 924-704 ignition actuator, and it came with these beautiful color instructions. Now the reason why these instructions are so great, because if you look here, it shows you how to line up everything. It shows you in what position everything should be in. If you line this up in the same position before you put it in, it slips right in. Make your job a lot easier. So order the Dorman 924-704. I will leave the link below in the description and in the comment section. So alright guys, but the key is in, starts up, everything is beautiful. Alright, let me put the cover on and that's it. I will be dropping more Jeep Liberty videos, so make sure you guys subscribe and please hit the like button, and I'll catch you on the next one.